The ocean's full of resources. Food, minerals, oil, you name it. In the late 80s, we bought a little 45-foot workboat, and 20 years later, we have over 100 employees. We conduct all different types of ocean bottom surveys, everything from route surveys to pipeline and fiber optic cable placements. We have operations that span the globe.
We're based in Nova Scotia, but our clientele isn't here. Our clients are global. All of the links on this part of the seabed doing this. Our customers are critical to the evolution of our business. We inspect underwater moorings on offshore floating production systems.
3D modeling, 3D video just really brings the most accurate visual perception when it comes to inspecting underwater assets. The Deepwater Horizon incident was probably the most high-pressure situation we can imagine ourselves in, and really got to showcase our talents. BP called us in to help them out.
You can see from the orange here they got a lot of oxygen in the water as well.
We helped them design the capping stack that eventually sealed in the well.
Attention to detail is so very critical in our business. We place a lot of emphasis on the overall quality of our finished product.
How's it looking, Brad?
We're a custom manufacturer of pressure vessels and fabrications. Doing work for major oil companies such as ExxonMobil, Husky, and Cana. They require a high level of quality. They want to see it documented and proven. We're also a service-oriented company. The detailed schedule in this business is of utmost importance. It's certainly next in line with quality. We get calls at midnight or 2 o'clock in the morning where they require guys to be ready to go offshore and carry out work. Not once we're not able to make that schedule. Nova Scotia has assembled a large number of companies that are very, very familiar with the requirements of working for these energy giants. We collaborate with folks that maybe today they're our competition, but next week they're our partner because we join forces to go after some of these larger projects because they have certain skill sets that perhaps we don't. But I know darn well we can find them within the province of Nova Scotia.
It takes a certain breed of person to be able to come together and carry out a project. I grew up in Nova Scotia, loving the water. It's who we are. McGregor Geoscience is a family-run business. I've been involved in the company since I was 14. I went on to study oceanography here in Nova Scotia. We have some of the leading marine research institutes as well as community colleges that are tailored towards training our young people to work in the offshore and marine sciences.
We have a relationship where we listen to industry.
Something that we could talk about is setting up more specific and specialized training for that particular process of welding. They're very good at consulting business to find out what our needs are.
One of the main reasons why we're so successful is that Nova Scotia Community College puts together customized solutions for organizations internationally that meet the global economy needs. The Nova Scotia Community College has been actively working in most of the corners of the globe, utilizing our strengths as a training institution to provide real solutions in Malaysia, in Abu Dhabi, Russia, in Italy, in Papua New Guinea, and over here in Nova Scotia.
We tend to hire our engineers directly out of university. We give them a lot of responsibility, and we have high expectations.
R&D is extremely important to our business. We have to be bringing the latest and greatest technologies to our clients.
We operate off the west coast of Africa, Australia, the UK North Sea, the Norwegian North Sea.
And it's an incredible harsh environment that we work in.
We did an extensive route survey in the Arctic in an area that was totally uncharted, like no soundings. And yet we were able to go in there and develop a couple of shipping routes for a large mining company. We have an environmental department which operates to the highest standards in the world, doing environmental ocean sciences. We can go to the furthest, most challenging areas, work safely, to attain our goals, accomplish the mission, and come back without incident.
We're always looking for the newest technology that we can use to open up new markets.
The greatest capital we have is human capital.
When we see ExxonMobil coming back and requesting work from us on a continual basis, it means we're doing something right.
We can bring people to Nova Scotia, or actually we can bring Nova Scotia to people.